Be ready. Start. The aforesaid judgment dated 4th September 2015 rendered by Honorable Single Judge in the case of Mahavir Singh Supra was challenged by the state of UP by filing a special appeal defective number 884 of 2015, and the division bench of this court by means of its judgment and order dated 12th January 2016, while setting aside the judgment and order dated 4th September 2015 passed by the Honorable Single Judge, has observed that mere recommendation made in the said case by the Superintendent of Police for giving out of turn promotion did not confer any indefeasible or vested right of promotion. Stop. The division bench further observed that once the government order dated 7th June 2014 had taken effect, which has the effect of rescinding the office memorandum dated 3rd February 1994, any promotion which is required to be made would necessarily have to be governed by the statutory rules which hold the field. Stop. The division bench thus held that a conscious policy decision has been taken by the state government based on the exigencies of the service and in terms of the government order dated 7th June 2014, the office memorandum dated 3rd February 1994 would stand rescinded, and that the scheme of out of turn appointments would stand substituted by monetary compensation. Stop. It is thus in the background of the aforesaid facts that the special appeal was allowed and the judgment rendered by Honorable Single Judge in the case of Mahavir Singh Supra was set aside. Stop. Para. So far as the law laid down by the division bench in the aforesaid special appeal is concerned, there cannot be any quarrel. Stop. However, what is noticeable here is that the facts of the present case and the facts of the cases which were subject matter of the decision by the division bench in the special appeal defective number 884 of 2015 are distinguishable. Stop. The distinction between the facts of the present case and the facts which were under consideration before the division bench in the special appeal lie in relation to the date on which right of consideration for grant of out of turn promotion crystallized in favor of the petitioner in this writ petition and the persons who were seeking out of turn promotion in the case of Mahavir Singh Supra. Stop. There is no dispute that all the matters which were decided by Honorable Single Judge by means of judgment and order dated 4th September 2015, though recommendations had been made for grant of out of turn promotion prior to issuance of the government order dated 7th June 2014, and the incidents on the basis of which such recommendations were made had occurred prior to the said date, that is prior to issuance of government order dated 7th June 2014. However, in none of the said cases the matter was finally decided by the authorities in terms of the government order dated 3rd February 1994. Stop. To the contrary, in the instant case, the decision was also taken for not granting out of turn promotion to the petitioner on 5th March 2013, which became subject matter of challenge before the UP Public Service Tribunal in the claim petition filed by the petitioner. Stop.